Good morning. It is day 9. Walking from, to Belorado, which I'm going to call El Dorado because it sounds more familiar. It is windy. It was cold. It was pouring rain last night, so I'm hoping it's not going to rain as we leave. But yes, so Santo Domingo to Belorado. About 22 kilometers. Last night I went to the hospital for my feet. There happened to be a doctor at that place. It was a really nice albergue. All donation, all brand new. But the doctor was like, he saw me and he's like, go to the hospital. And he's like, you probably need like a needle to put it down. But so I limp over to the hospital. They look at it and it's like hives all over my feet because of my socks. And it got worse throughout the day that I was in tears walking. So it was a little bit hard. So I got there and all he did was, like, they checked it, they cleaned my blister and stuff, and then they gave me allergy cream, which I already had. So I came back and the other guy didn't seem too happy about that. Like, he says like you need to have an EpiPen. So, but here I am walking, so I guess I'll survive. My feet are swollen, like they don't fit in my boots very well, so we'll see how it works. But in Belorado, we'll see you in the sunshine.